When I was a senior Salesforce consultant, what I saw all the time from all clients across the board is that they had a business ecosystem. It was originally designed to support whatever business they had then. But what I constantly ran into was people telling me this used to work, but now it doesn't work anymore. So, what does this mean? It means that what the business was trying to do in the future, it was designed for today and it did not take tomorrow or the next day into account at all. And so, one of the things that I always had to do as a business CRM architect was design a solution that not only met today's needs, but didn't deter from what they were going to eventually need tomorrow and the next day. If you like this content, subscribe to the channel. I post here all the time about how you can improve your business processes and workflows. See you there.